This machine is the RK-47. It's a 5 gallon a minute, 3,000 PSI hot water pressure washer. You will note that it has a vertically fired burner. The pump is a general pump. The engine is a 16 horsepower V-twin Vanguard engine. The pressure switch is located on the discharge of the pump. Pressure switch being utilized to turn the burner on and off as you squeeze and release the trigger. Prior to starting the machine, you will need to connect your garden hose here. Your filter screen is inside this clear plastic tube. Your pressure gauge is located on the opposite side of the pump. Your battery for the machine is up under the carriage, resting on a frame up there and attached to the motor. It comes equipped with a 50-foot pressure hose, a trigger gun, and a dual lance wand. Dual lance wand is utilized in applying chemical. This particular machine uses downstream chemical injection. Chemical injector is on the other side of the machine, and I'll show that to you in a minute. But essentially, once your hose is in the chemical and it's ready to draw chemical, you've established a flow of water. You will start your chemical by twisting this handle counterclockwise. When you do that, it'll switch you to the low pressure position and the chemical will automatically start to draw. You apply your chemical to the surface that you intend to wash. After doing this, when you're ready to start rinsing, you reverse the direction that you twisted the handle, turning it clockwise till it locks down. You're then back at high pressure position. You squeeze your trigger again and start rinsing. To start your engine, you do this the same way as you do on all Vanguard engines. After checking your oil, you set your choke when the engine is cold and turn the key in a clockwise position till it starts. You release it, reset your choke, and you're ready to start. Fuel tanks for this machine are located on the engine end. To your left is the gasoline tank, to the right is the diesel tank. Approximate capacity is 5 gallons per tank. Moving around to this side, on the panel, the stainless steel panel, you'll find nozzle holders for 2 nozzles. The hour meter located right to the side of them, and the burner on-off switch. The unloader valve is located right to the side of the belt guard directly behind the pump, and the high pressure relief valve is located right here on the same plumbing. This is your muffler. It has a deflector pointing in the upward position. This is hot anytime the engine has been used, so you should never touch it or lay anything on it. Moving over to the burner outlet, you'll find the high limit switch, and you'll find the downstream chemical injector. This is where your pressure hose will plug in. Again, this machine is equipped with a 50-foot high pressure hose, a dual lance wand, and a trigger gun. This machine is easily moved. As you can see, I'm moving it with one hand. To steer the machine, it's a simple matter of walking around to the pushing side of it. You push it in a straight line. When you need to turn it, place your foot on the crossbar, press down, and as you can see, the machine will turn.